Hello, hi, and namaste everyone. So, guys, let's see guidance from Lakshmi Devi. I know this guidance had to be given yesterday but couldn't do, so giving it today. Let's see what comes up. Okay, wow, beautiful message from Lord Jagannath, Lord of the world. So, do I need to tell anything for this? I won't give you much explanation for this because each and everyone know about Lord Jagannath, and if you don't know, so yes, this is the introduction that there is a Lord named as Jagannath, and as the name, so is the purpose of this god. He is called the god of the world. So if you are too much compassionate or passionate, or you're worried about the world, like what's happening around the world and on everything, whatever I'm channelizing, guys, I'm giving you that very thing. So you can pray to Lord Jagannath that the situation in your country, also outside, over the world, whatever is happening nowadays, for its peace, calm thing, you can pray for that. Do check the description, I would say, guys. I will give you how you can invoke Lord Jagannath, and there will be a mantra given. So do check the description. But for now, I'm not, like, willing to give much information because it's already very much straightforward, like known as the god of the world. And Jagannath, Jag, in Hindi it is known as Jag means world. So you can really pray to this god for any of your desires, wishes, and even if you're too much worried for this world and everything, for that purpose also. Let's see another guidance. So here's the card: open heart to receive blessings and abundance. I guess this is for the ones, maybe your heart chakra is blocked, is not open. So please work on your heart chakra, I would say. And to receive abundance and blessings, what you can do, imagining a green color light in between your chest, you can chant the beej mantra yum for a few minutes, and this is how you can work on your heart chakra, which will literally give a positive result on your heart also. Receive compliments, gifts with grace. So this is the remedies. If someone is appreciating you, if someone is really complimenting you, then receive it with grace. Be grateful for that. Just don't do for the sake of okay and all. Like, from within you, you shouldn't be unsatisfied, dissatisfied, why he or she is giving me this, I know everything, this and that. Please don't do that. This is what has been said over here, and below is the affirmation. I will give it in the description. Thank you.